Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So sorry for the background noise, but my dad's on the other side and the TV's real loud. Rude. But I just wanted to let you guys know that your girl did a tutorial for you guys. So I did this kind of like soft glam, not soft glam, little, daytime glam, I guess, look. If you'd like to see how I did it, just keep watching and don't forget to rate, like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. All right, keep watching. Okay, babe, so I ended up going ahead and changing it to a voiceover. I'm going to use the e.l.f. 16-hour Cameo Concealer, and I'm just going to put that on real quick. Blend it out with a sponge. You have to work quick with this because it does dry down very fast. So to make sure you work quickly. But it blends flawlessly. Look at that. Yes. I'm going to blend that onto the sides of my nose as well. Put a little bit on my eyelid. When we're all blended out there. Look at that. Gorgeous. I'm going to use the P. Louise base in shade 11 because they said you can contour with them. So I'm giving it a go. And I did not expect it to be this dark, but we're going to make it work. And I'm just using a Japanese brush. You can see me, I looked and I was like, hold up. That's a lot darker than I expected. Lord. Oh well. So it's all blended out. And just take it to the cheekbones. You can see it gets a little bit streaky, so I try to use the pitter pat 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 method that P. Louise teaches when it comes to these bases. Now I'm just going to take it down my jawline. We're going to see how it works. Took a sponge because it's still really harsh. So make sure you use a tiny bit if you're going to do this. I probably should have got I think I have shade 6, which I'm going to try next time. And maybe I'll mix them because it was pretty dark. But you'll see how it turns out. So I'm taking a little bit more of the Too Faced foundation in Chestnut. It's the Born This Way to cut underneath the contour as well as add a little bit more coverage. And then blend out those harsh lines. It's coming together, y'all. It's coming together. Trust the process. See, we trust the process. So this is the Kylie Cosmetics concealer. And I'm just going to use that to brighten up the eye a little bit more. So especially since it has a little bit of a pinkier base. It looks gorgeous. And we're going to blend. You see that? How it brightens it up just a little bit and tones down that yellow. Yes. So I'm going to go back in and I'm going to contour my nose, which I rarely ever do, but I wanted to give it a go. And I'm just using a travel size Luxie brush. And I'm blending it down the sides of my nose. Pardon my expressions. Sometimes I'll be like, ooh, child. But we gonna make it work. And I'm just blending it in. Then I'm going to take a sponge and blend it some more. What's really funny is I ended up really liking this. I might contour my nose more often. So I'm just taking that Kylie Cosmetics concealer again and using that to highlight the bridge. And then I'm taking a clean Luxie brush, the same one that I used to apply the contour, but just a clean one, and then I'm blending out that highlight shade. And then I'm going to pat it out with the sponge. See? And it comes together. Trust in the process. That's what we're doing here. So I'm going to use the Patrick Star powder from MAC Cosmetics. And I'm not going to bake, but I am going to press this fully into the skin to set it. And I'm doing this all over the face. Just like that. So now I'm going to use two bronzers, the MAC Sun Power and the Queen bronzer from CoverGirl. First I'm going in with Sun Power Mineralized Skin Finish from MAC, and it's just going to help me warm up the skin since that P. Louise base is pretty neutral. I wanted to add some more warmth to the skin. And then after that I will use the Queen bronzer from CoverGirl to deepen it up a little bit. You see that warmth coming in? You see it. And then now I'm going in with the Queen bronzer just to deepen it up just a tidbit. I'm going to take that down the side of my nose. And now I'm using Deep Peach from MAC Cosmetics to carve out underneath my cheekbone. Just like that. Cleaning it up. And I'm using a dry sponge to do this, not a wet one. And then we're going to just dust that away. And see, sculpt it. And then I'm going to blend in between the lines just to soften it a little bit. And then I'm going to use Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray. And you're going to see it melt together. Just like that. So I'm going to do my brows, and we're back. So I'm going to use the P. Louise base in Rumor 05 to clean up underneath my brow, as well as use as a eyeshadow base. I really like the P. Louise bases because they are very much multi-purpose. So you use them on the eyes, use them to cut the crease, use them as a highlight, use them as a contour. They doing a thing, I'm telling you. And I'm just using a Morphe brush here. And then I'm gonna blend it out with another brush. And then when I meet it up with that contour, you'll see that nose contour come together. So this is another little travel size Luxie brush. You see how I blend that edge? There it is. Both eyes done. And I'm going to use the Kylie and Jordan palette. I'm going to use True Love, Peru, Sister. First, I'm going to go in with Peru, which is like this pretty orange shade. And after that, I'll go in with Sister. And I'm just blending, blending, blending. And then on the lid, I'm going to use, oh, hold on. I'm using True Love and Wife Life. Wife Life is going on the inner corner. Come on, Looney Bear. And then I'm just adding a little bit more of Peru to warm up the brow, underneath the brow bone. And then I'm going to take Matte Costa Riche Eye Kohl pencil into the waterline. And then I'm going to blend that out with Peru. And now I'm going to use Bad Gal Bang mascara from Benefit Cosmetics. Pardon my dry hands. I did not put on lotion before I started this video. Lashes are on. And I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Highlighter in Hustler Baby. Yes, let's get that glow, honey. Look at that glow. Yes, you see it. I see it. It's blinding. And then I'm going to take a little brush after this and do my more detailed work so I just don't have highlighter floating all over my face. So I'm going to take it on the very edges of my lips. And then the tip of my nose and this very edge on the sides of my nose. That's like my favorite spot. And then a little touch underneath the brow bone. Glowing goddess, that's what we're going for. Glowing. Then some more setting spray. There we go. So I'm going to use Trendsetter Lip Pencil from Morphe and my O Beach Cosmetics Lip Gloss. Let's go ahead and line the lips. Check out my nails, y'all. I did them myself. No, but seriously, I did do it myself, especially with all this quarantine stuff. I've been doing my poly gel. And then we're going to throw on this gloss, honey. I did not expect it to be that shiny, honestly. I got this as PR, and I thought it was going to be like more like a nude. But we made it work. We'll make it work. Also didn't expect it to be that golden because it didn't look that gold in the tube. Blend, blend, blend. We iridescent, baby, iridescent. Take a little pencil brush. Sorry, my puppy is she's fighting her sleep. Blend, blend, blend. Yes, and there we go, honey. There we go. Yes. So that is the finished look. Thanks for watching.